Hey guys, yay, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Kataid, just in case you don't know, well now you know, and you're welcome to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, welcome. Please do well to hit that subscribe button down below and share this video with your friends. Give this video a huge thumbs up. It's storming outside, so I'm going to be shouting. I guess you can hear that. I had to make this video today, so you guys are really going to bear with me. Please. Anyway, so the hair we're going to be working with is from the Bell store. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored advertisement whatsoever. I purchased this luxury beauty with my money, so I'm reviewing it because I like it. You know, I always say that. So I see it as it is, no sugar coating. Yeah, let's get straight into this beauty, right? So I would say the packaging is really luxury and the packaging is really cute. Comes in this black box with their logo written on it. So yeah, let's open it. So opening the box. Oh, so you have the hair. And it comes to the free comb. You get a free comb along with it, and the hair maintenance guide. And so yeah, that's pretty much what's in the box. So also it comes with this it comes with the dome cap, not dome cap, the wig cap. I didn't like the wig cap that came with it because I didn't like the wig cap that came with it because it was too light, like the color was too light. So I'm going to use this one which I already have before. I'll take my got2be gel and just apply it in the front so it takes my edges. What I like to do, I like to use my my wig cap. I drag it forward, like close to my eyebrow, and I take it over my ear. So can we see how it just slips? So that's my trick in making these edges slip down and not stop my whole process. This looks so good. Although there's a story behind this wave, and I'll tell you guys after now. Hair wax stick, and I'm going to use that to tame the hair. This is my first time wearing colored hair, and it looks really good on me. It really looks good on me. It matches my skin tone, it just blends it. Yeah, so this hair is from the Bell store and they're a Nigerian brand. So it's like I had issues with this hair, so I'm going to be honest with you because I told you guys I'm going to be giving you guys 100% honest review, because that's it. That's the truth, and that's the way it should be. I had issues with this hair initially. I'm probably going to insert a picture or a clip of the hair the day after I picked it up. Actually, when I got there the first day for my fittings, the color, the brown highlights were too bright. It was more like, okay, it was ash blonde, and that was just too bright. This is my first time of wearing color, so I don't want to go overboard. So I actually stated that I don't want something too bright. I don't want to be out there. I'm not loud. I'm not the color kind of person, so I don't want to be wing like siren. Do you get me? So I told them, please, this is this. I don't want my highlights too bright. I just want it toned down. And yeah, although I'm trying to get into get a hang of colors and get into it, but I want to start small, not just from 0 to 100. So it was too bright, and I told them I didn't like it, that they should tone down the color, and they did. It looked better, and then it produced this color, which doesn't look bad at all. Another thing is, when the first time, the same day when I went in for fittings, the hair was feeling too strong, and I told them that this hair is not soft. Like, I can't pay so much for a bob wig, a luxury bob wig, and I'm having issues with it. Like, it didn't just make any sense. I had to complain. Like, I was really pissed that day, because my expectations were hair, and what they were giving me was like hair, and no, and I paid so much for it, so it wasn't making any sense. So I was like, the hair is too strong. I was doubting the kind of hair they actually use for it. I was like, is it the real hair you guys use for me? Because I don't get what is going on. And they're like, yes, it's the hair, blah blah blah, because they dye the hair. Like, when you dye the hair, it's not the same. It doesn't feel the same way most of the time. And I was like, I can't accept this hair. So they actually made corrections to it. Like, they made adjustments to it. I went to fix it and all of that. It looked okay that day, but then when I go home, it was just too, I think, okay, she was like, she applied serum. Apparently the serum was too much, so I went back there the next day. I was supposed to travel the next day. Well, I traveled the next day, but I went there first because I just had to fix it. This hair, I'm going to insert a picture or a clip of the hair. So the next morning, that was how it was looking, and it wasn't making no sense at all. It was dividing, like the hair, it was not fluffy, it was not flipping and all that, and I was like, what? But it just didn't make any sense that you pay so much for a hair, and it's the first time like you're getting a hair, it's a new hair, and it's giving problems already. But I wouldn't say it was the hair that was the problem. I would say it was most likely the stylist and the colorist that had that gave most of the problem, and not the hair itself. So yeah, that was pretty much the story behind the hair. By the end of the day, the hair turned out good, turned out fine, turned out just nice. So the details of the hair, this is a 10-inch Louis unit, and it's with the HD frontal. I don't know what length the frontal is, but I think it's about 10 inches as well. Yeah, I think it's about 10 inches as well. Initially I wanted 8 inches, but they didn't have 8 inches available, so I had to go with the 10 inches. And yeah, here we are. This color is very dark skin friendly. So if you're like me, who is dark skin and scared of trying out colors, you can start up with warm tones like this, just a mixture. And instead of going out and coming out so loud, you can just start up with this if you're scared of colors, and it complements the brown skin pretty well, like really good. So yeah, that's basically it for my video today. Please do well to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up as per usual, and share with your friends if you have any comments. And also I would like color recommendations, like hair color recommendations on what I could fix, like dark skin friendly. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.